LifeRing has a whiteboard feature that lets you draw shapes and graphics directly on the map. So you click the draw button and you immediately see that you have some tools over here in a palette. You can choose a color, and this is the Freeform tool, so I can just start dragging my cursor and drawing straight lines or squiggly lines on the map. I can go back and this is a straight line. I'll choose a different color. And this will, I just click a point and then drag it and I get a straight line. I can use a circle, let's get a different color. I just drag a point for as big as I want to make the circle. You can also do a polygon shape. So I just click at different segments, and whatever segment I make, it joins them together, and then I right click to end. I can also use text on there. So if whatever text I type in to the text field, and I go back to the map, wherever I click, it will add that text. So if I want to save my whiteboards, I go up and I hit the save button and I name them. And if I go back up and I clear them from my screen, I can go back up to the read button and I see my whiteboards and I can recall them. The clear local button will get rid of any of the whiteboards that I've created, and the clear all button will get rid of any whiteboards that I've created or any other LifeRing users created. If I want to delete whiteboards, I can go up and select the drawings one at a time. You'll see here if I click delete, it'll highlight the whiteboard and then I can delete it. Anytime I want, I click the X button to get out of whiteboards. And again, if I want to get rid of everything on my map, I just hit clear all.